Okay, fam, hopefully you can help me out here. My mechanic and every mechanic in town is stumped. So here we go. Zero power. I believe this is my TPS sensor right here. We're gonna plug this in. Good thing the AC cut off, that was kind of loud. And now we'll wait. I'll fast forward this part in editing. Alright, so why is that cycling when I have no power going? This happens every like 30 seconds. This thing will cycle. Hence why we disconnect it. I'm actually going to switch this and put the microphone in there so you can hear it better. Alright, so maybe it's every minute, but... Alright, there we go. So why is that happening with no power? I'm glad you waited to bring that in there. That's loud. Thank you. Brand new battery. It's been doing it with, no matter what the battery is, it's been doing it with the battery, so that's brand new. I do have another, we had another issue that was happening beforehand, so I will show you when I turn this on. Kill switch is up. I am getting the CHEC. So before this, it was we had an F1 error, and then I went to go put it in dealer mode, but then the F1 error went away, and now it's just been stuck on CHEC. And again, I disconnect this most of the time anyway, so help me, please help me. And I'm sure somebody will say it or ask, so I'm going to do this. I should have done this on the video before. I'm going to have my ignition on. Same thing.